The question we are going to discuss is what is escape velocity. Obtain an expression for it. Escape velocity VE, the minimum velocity required for a body to escape from the gravitational pull of the earth, is known as escape velocity. Derivation: consider a body of mass m escape from a planet of mass M and radius R. Then gravitational potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to 0. Gravitational potential energy is equal to minus gmm by r, and kinetic energy of the body is half mve square. Therefore, minus gmm by r plus half mve square equal to 0. Therefore, half mve square equal to gmm by r. When we solve the equation, ve square is equal to 2gm by r. ve is equal to square root of 2 gm by r, that equal to square root of 2gr. Since gm by r equal to small g into r, ve value for the earth is 11.2 kilometers per second.